Culture is a word we often use. Culture has been defined as a complex whole that includes knowledge, belief, law, morals, customs and art, with any other capabilities and habits that forms a person or persons. Culture is our values, and it is a learned condition and not innate. So I'm very grateful to the people of the past and the now who are sustaining and safeguarding and further developing our culture, because it contains the very essence of who we are as a nation. I'm going to enjoy Flower na Moon, which I know will not totally satisfy the atmosphere and bond of the real flower, but it is a fantastic and well planned replacement. To all our friends in Munster, we send you greetings, best wishes, and we look forward to when we can meet again. Slán agus beannacht.